Dan is the king of high-ticket sales, and he is a masterful entrepreneur.
That's what I love about Dan, no BS.
Dan is an exceptional leader, teacher, business mentor, and friend.
Dan's a force of nature.
$12 million in my pocket is what I believe I would have above and beyond what I've made in the last 10 years alone, had I found Dan Lok sooner.
Today, we are going to discuss a strategy to scale your high-ticket offer to seven-figure with ease. Most experts, consultants, and coaches, they make their offers way too complicated, or they have too many offers. Instead of focusing on making more offers, the same type of offers to the marketplace, they try to create too many things because they believe that, hey, if I create more things, that would be easy to sell. That's simply not the case because simple scales and fancy fails. To scale your offer to seven-figure with ease, you want to keep it very, very simple. We scale to eight-figure with two simple offers in less than 1 year. Two simple offers, not 100 offers, two simple offers. So let's first define the different types of offers that you can make. First, let me walk you through our high-ticket pyramid. Anything from $0 to $1,000, I consider those low-ticket offers. $0 to $1,000. $1,000 to $10,000, I consider those mid-ticket offers. They're mid-ticket. $10,000 to $100,000, I consider those high-ticket offers. $100,000 to $1 million and above, that's ultra high-ticket offers. So let's talk about the $1 million math. Let's say you have a high-ticket offer that's $25,000 a year. Assuming it's one time, now that could be also recurring if you have a high-end coaching program or mastermind group. But $25,000, how many do you have to sell to make $100,000 a month? Only 4. You only need 4 sales. That means all you have to do is to make what? 1 sale per week. Can you handle 1 sale per week? You'll get to $1.2 million a year, more than $1 million a year. That's one way to look at it. Or let's say you have a $10,000 offer. How many you have to sell to make $100,000 per month? Only 10. You only need to make 10 to make $100,000 a month. Again, $1.2 million a year. Now, the challenge is if you are selling something for $100 or $200, you need a lot of sales. You need a lot of sales in order to scale. And the problem that most people don't understand, most experts don't understand is this. When you are selling a $500 thing, when you're selling a $1,000 offer, it's very, very difficult for you to have a sales team. Because let's say you pay out a 10% commission, $1,000, $100 in commission, that's not a lot of money. It's very difficult to recruit, motivate a sales team to pick up the phone and close these high-ticket sales for you. And we'll talk more how do you build your high-ticket sales team in the future. But for now, just understand the math. To scale to seven-figure with ease, all you need to think about is how do I bring people in for my mid-ticket offer from $1,000 to $10,000 through automated marketing system. It could be webinar, it could be a virtual event. So they come in and they get an experience of what you do. Let's say you have a $2,000 offer. You are selling that. And then a percentage of those buyers, you could then ascend them to your high-ticket offer at $25,000. So it's simply math. You bring enough people in and they experience your expertise, your skills, the results you are able to produce for them, and a percentage of them would put up their hand and say, hey, I want more. I want to go deeper with what you do. I want more access, right? I want more training. I want to continue my education with you. That's good. A percentage of them, it could be 10%, it could be 5%, it could be 20%. Will want more. And that's all you need to do. So remember, simple scales and fancy fails. Keep it very simple. You don't need 1 million things. You don't need 100 things. You need 2 simple offers that work, that convert, and that ascend. Until next time, go high ticket.